Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing frog hops. When we do these, we are going to start in our low squat, but we are going to be active. So low squat, active low squat. My glutes are firing, my hips are going to be working, my quads are going to be working, my hamstrings are going to be working, my abs are going to be engaged here. I want my chest to be upright as well. Feet are going to be below the hips, maybe slightly wider. Toes can be pointed out if we want. From here, both feet at the same time, jump forward. Try not to jump too high, simply jump forward. We also want to make sure that we land on our whole foot.